Hi guys, so today we're going to be drawing an ice cream cone since it's summer. So, the items you will need is a piece of paper, a pencil, Sharpie, something to color with. I'm using crayons for today, and an eraser. So, the first thing we're going to do is draw a dot in the middle this way, like an inch, half an inch from the bottom, and the same at the top, like so. And then we're going to make a V with the point of the V on the dot, and then a U on each of the tips of the V. We can do another U in the middle, and then another U connecting those U's. We can extend these up, and that is our first scoop of ice cream. So you can do as many scoops of ice cream as you want, and I think I'm going to do 3. And you can do any size you want. I'm just going to extend those now and draw a little one in the middle, and then be able to fit 2. And then 2 more. Or 1 more scoop, actually. And I'll go back and I'll connect all these. Make sure it's good. And then I'll make a big old scoop on the top. And then I think I'm going to add some whipped cream. So I'll just add a little dollop of whipped cream on the top with a little cherry. The stem will go up to that dot. Now we can draw the lines of our cone. Like so. Now we can even, if you'd like, add some chocolate drizzle. So in order to do that, you just kind of do big long U's like this. Like that. I think that looks good. Maybe some has dripped down a little. Okay. Now we can get our Sharpie and we can trace all the lines that we just made. Once you are done tracing your lines, you can take your eraser and erase all of the pencil lines. fun thing about this project is you get to make any kind of ice cream you want. So you can pick any 3 different kinds, or if you have more than 3, you can pick any kinds of ice cream you would like. Now we're just gonna shake it off. So our paper is nice and clean. And now we can color. So I'm just gonna open up my crayons. And the first thing I'm gonna do is color in my cone. So I'm gonna take this brown and I'm gonna do it really lightly so it looks like a cone color. And you can use any kinds of coloring utensils. You can use markers, crayons, colored pencils, or anything else you have lying around. Okay. Now the next thing I'm gonna do is color in my chocolate. So I'm gonna make this nice and dark. Color in the chocolate drips. Now I'm gonna do my cherry. So with cherries, they sometimes have a little shiny spot on them. So oh, that's not my red. Here's my red. Okay. So they're gonna have a little shiny spot like that, and I'm just gonna color around it so it looks nice and shiny. Okay, now for the whipped cream, I want to add some details to it, so I'm just gonna add kind of like it looks like it came right out of one of those spray cans. And then I'm gonna kind of erase them so they're really, really, really light. And I'm gonna take a gray crayon and just kind of make light little lines like that. Now we get to color our ice creams. So I think I'm gonna do a cookie dough. So in cookie dough, they have chocolate chunks, but the thing that makes it cookie dough is the cookie dough. So now we get to add big old pieces of nice, yummy cookie dough. This is my favorite kind of ice cream. Very good. Okay. Now let's do a strawberry. So I'm going to do the strawberry one right on the top, the biggest scoop. Now, well, that was my big scoop, so that took me a little bit. Next, maybe a mint chocolate chip. So, mint chocolate chip is going to be green with brown chocolate chunks. So, let's do the green first, because green is a lighter color, so it'll be easier to color on top of a lighter color with a darker color. So we can color in the minty color. Now we get to add in some chocolate chunks. Okay. Now that we have our ice cream cone all done, the last thing we need to do is sign it. So we sign it down in the bottom corner. And now we're all done. Great job, guys. See you next time.